Welcome back to SevTech, and we are in Age 3, the Industrial Age, a wonderful age of monocles and steam and electricity and child labor, all those really neat things. So today we're going to be carrying on with we're going to keep trying to push through these purple list of things to do. I think we can probably do a couple of these. I do notice there's this big scary nether block there, so I'm not too sure about that. The nether fills me with dread. So much dread. All of the dread. But I guess we're just gonna have to keep pushing through. Okay, well, let's at least have a look at these vacuum tubes to start with. I'm not really quite sure where we're going with this. In previous sessions we made a coal engine, and I actually have no idea what the coal engine is for. We have it, and I don't know why. But last session we made an engineering block, which is this thing, which I'm guessing we're going to use to make a vacuum tube. So the things we're going to need is copper wire, which is pretty straightforward. We just need a knife blade somehow. I'm guessing we can make that pretty quick. And the other thing we're going to need is a blueprint, which is literally blue paper. Don't ask me how that works. Now, we don't have any steel, but we do have iron, aluminum, aluminum, and I think we've got some copper flying around. Have we got some? We must have blue dye. Come on, we must have blue dye somewhere. I don't know what to do with this poopy brown creosote. Let's put that in there. I don't feel like I want to carry that around the whole time. So let's try and get a blueprint made, because that's got to be easy. Oh, we even have blue dye powder. Wow, that's a fantastic stuff. Do we have... Oh, no. We got to make paper? Really? Oh, come on. Can we make paper easily yet? Or are we still doing it the old way? Industrial drying unit. Drying racks. Yeah, we're still making it the same old way of making paper. What is a mixer? How do we make a mixer? Doesn't tell you. Doesn't tell you. All right, well, I'll get some paper on the boil. What else are we going to need? We're going to need that sharp knife, so I'll make that sharp knife. Okay, brilliant. There's our knife head. We'll get that put in. I've got my paper worked out, and it is coming together. It is coming together like a house of cards. Checkmate. Let's go get... We need to make ourselves... Oh, yes, I've got those. I can make pliers for the copper wires. And I don't actually... That doesn't even need to work that difficult. There we go. And... Oh, wow. Really? One copper wire. I guess it's like those... the foil tops on the yogurt. So instead of cutting across that way, you try and basically go around the edge into a spiral and try and get the longest bit of foil string off the yogurt tops. Is it just me that did that, or did everybody do that? I kind of get the feeling it was a weird me thing, but who knows? Right, okay, so we're getting there. We should be able to make that now. And I'm so glad I got so many crafting tables. And that recipe is, I get one? All of that for one. Me beginning to think SevTech is cheap tech. And then, oh yes, right, what was the other thing? We needed a little bit of redstone, although I kind of get the feeling I need to... Nope, got lots of redstone. I was thinking, well, maybe I need to go get more redstone, but no, got lots. Glass. Is it just any glass? It's any glass. Any glass TN. When am I going to learn it's the only brown chest which is there? Never. I'm never going to learn it. So apparently we can upgrade this to some kind of weird storage system. I am nowhere near that yet. Ooh. Hey, look, it stays there. All right. Okay, cool. Oh, and that blueprint can make all of these. What do you think the odds are the blueprint gets used every single time? Because blueprints are single-use items only. Absolutely. Absolutely. You can only ever use a blueprint once. Okay, right. Why does that copper wire look different? Oh, no, it does look the same. Okay, right. And is it any special kind of glass? 3. Ha! Done. Hey, look, it stayed It stayed. Okay, well, all that remains now is to get the achieve, and we can move forward. Right, okay. Small sample thing. Engineering board. Now, I don't get why one of those is already done. Using the engineer's workbench, craft a circuit board. That seems a little advanced. How does one make a circuit board? That seems a little advanced to start making PCBs. I mean, I played other mod packs and it's a way more complicated process. Insulated glass, vacuum tubes, copper plate. Okay, well, those things seem simple. What about the insulated glass? Green dye powder, because it has to be green, and iron grit. Iron grit. Where do we get iron grit from? Can we just... Oh. I don't know. Let's try chucking some iron into the smasher and see what happens. Now, the interesting thing about this mod pack is you don't actually know... Some of these recipes, they change and they don't... you don't even know that they're there until later on. Now, what do I need? I actually need... I need a miniaturized pickaxe. And the reason I need a pickaxe is because if I use the smashy hammer, it will destroy everything. Where the heck is the iron? It's in here somewhere. Aluminum, tin, brick. Yes, because I want a brick pickaxe. Oh well. Bronze it is. Today it shall be bronze. And the reason I'm doing this is because I don't know. Wait a second. This thing is wood. I should be able to use my axe to remove it. I can't make regular things yet. The other thing it does is move all the recipes around, so they're not what you think they are. Right, cool. This is the part of the episode where my inventory starts to get way crazy out of hand. Okay, so we should be able to chuck that in there for some iron grit. Will it work? It doesn't seem to be moving. No, it doesn't seem to be moving. Iron grit. Iron grit. Unfamiliar item, unfamiliar item, unfamiliar item. Okay, well, I'm not going to be making that anytime soon. So, I've got a quartz grindstone. Yeah, see? Iron cluster. Oh, this is a millstone. This is not the same thing. Right, I got my one glue for making the one gear. Now, I don't know if I'll actually be able to power this, but we can try. We can live the dream. Let's grab some of that. Wow, that escalated quick. I'm going to have to empty out. Okay, what are we missing? What are you missing? Quartz. Really? I'm missing... I have no cobble in my inventory. Well, that is a problem which is just, quite frankly, bizarre. To not have cobble in my inventory. Who doesn't have cobble in their inventory? It's like a sandwich. You'd never leave home without one. Right, quartz grindstone. Here we come. Here we come. So we can only hope that this works on here. Now I need the tool. Do we have any? We could make a gold pickaxe. Oh, actually, why don't we make a molten iron? Yeah. We can make an iron pickaxe. That should be easy enough to do. I've got the cheese slice mold right here, and that's our iron pickaxe. It's our iron pickaxe. Right. Oh man, that cooled fast. Right, okay. It's just I need to be a little bit more prepared for some of these. All right, iron pickaxe. Right, cool. We've got our quartz grindstone. Let's see if we can get that up here, and if that actually just works. Does that work off here, or is it gonna need something else? I have no idea how you power this thing. Okay, simple. we need some kind of cranky handle thing. Basically, yeah, so that doesn't work at all. Let's leave all that there. We need some kind of cranky handle to put into there. So let's plonk that there. And it's going to need a handle? I'm guessing it's just called a handle. In here. Or maybe it's called a crank. I have a feeling I've used this in another mod pack before, like a long time ago, like maybe the Crash Landing mod pack. That sounds like, okay, so there's my crank. Here's my hand crank. That goes in here? No? There we go, it goes on the top. That goes here, and I should just be able to basically hand crank. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Yeah, this was definitely in the Crash Landing mod pack where you basically have to grind everything. It sort of starts you off at this level. Oh, there we go! Iron Grit! That only took all of the session. All of the session. Whew, okay. It's been so long, I forgot what we're doing. I think I need green dye. I have no... Where does one get green dye from? Now, I did see some terracotta floating around, but I don't know if that's how that works. Okay, right. Back to making this circuit board. So, working on this. This is what we're making. Insulated glass and green dye. So, we can make green dye from a bunch of stuff. Cactus green, cactus... Hedgehog cactus? More cactus. Why does everything require some kind of cactus? Like, I have to go to the desert or something, and I really don't want to go to the desert. There's no way I can make green dye. Yeah, there's... You can't... Oh, wait. Yeah, you can make green. Yes, you can make green. Yellow plus blue makes green. I think. Yeah, yellow plus blue makes green. Let's try it. I got a lot of yellow, and I have some blue. Blue plus yellow does not equal green. Well, that's disappointing. Why does it not equal green? Can we not just make green dye? Is that not a thing? I don't think we can just make green dye. What else we got? These are all like millstone recipes, but there's nothing that sort of blends them together. I can't just mix the two dyes together. I need to go and get one of these things. All of them feel like I have to go to the desert. I don't want to go to the desert because I don't know where the desert is exactly. But we could take a horse. I don't exactly know what I'm looking for, but we do have the horse, and I think I have a saddle somewhere. So let's take the horse. Apparently everything generates on a logical heat map. There's definitely no saddle there. Seeing as I can't mix two colors together and make green! Shakes fist angrily at sky. 1 week later. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Well, you get the idea. I mean, eventually we found desert. Finally, we found desert. Oh my gosh. Do you have any idea? I traveled for a long time to find this desert, and I'm very, very much over it. Ooh, platinum. We should dig there. So we found two things. We found cactuses, which we absolutely need. Oh, yes, they do. Oh, man, for a moment there, I thought that wasn't going to mine. I was like, well, that's a long trip. So I'm going to steal these cactuses out, and I'm going to take them all back to base. That's a little bit laggy. I found a whole bunch of really weird stuff, like I found some giant, scary-looking nether portals, so many villages. Oh my gosh, a lot of villages. And out. And then there's these things over here, which I don't know what they are. They're There's like obsidian and weirdness going on here. In fact, that's pretty much a nether portal there. We could go to the nether, but let's not. Let's take me cactuses, and I'm gonna dig up some of that platinum and head back to base for a cacti growing operation. 1 week later. Well, we're back. After traveling back, I finally got some more time to record, and it's been a whole week IRL, so it took me like a week to get there and a week to get back, so unfortunately I had a couple of episodes recorded back to back for just like cases like this in the Twilight Forest when we're goofing around forever, traveling. But we got the cactuses! We finally needed, and I managed to get one thing of platinum. I didn't actually find any platinum, much to my sadness. Now, where did I put them? Ah, yes, cactus green. Yay, cactus green. Well, that was the most laborious quest, and I know at some point I'm probably going to have to go back to actually find some platinum, because I've not seen it really anywhere else. And yeah, the horse is gone. I took the horse, and he died during the trip. So this was going to turn into a building sometime between now and next session. Right, cool, right. Glass! Remember what we were doing? I don't, because it's been like 2 weeks since I've actually had to do it. My brain is like mush. Hey, that's how you make tanks. That's cool. That's not how you make glass. Okay, how do we make green glass? I think, yeah, it's been like 2 weeks. I can't even really remember what we're doing. What are we doing? Circuit board. Oh my god, we need to make a PCB. Basically, insulated glass, green dye powder. I need to grind it in a millstone. Well, where do you know? Can I do it in here? Can we just... That's a grindstone. It's not a millstone. All these different grinding mechanisms. Okay, that doesn't go in there. Awesome. Alright. Millstone it is! Oh my gosh, what an absolute quest and a half. Alright, this time we got some green powder. Normally you can just use the green stuff as dye, but nope, not SevTech. SevTech, you have to mine this stuff up. Grind it up. Ugh. Okay, right, one should be enough. We gotta make the thing. Oh my gosh, this has been such a quest. Well, we do make glass, iron grit. Ooh, iron grit. That's been, yes, okay, so I did make some of that. Yes, it's been a while. It has been a while. Insulated glass, yeah, cool, right. We need those. Hang on. What are we I feel like we're missing something. Copper plate. Oh, please tell me we've got copper plate. 1 copper plate. Not a dinner plate, a copper plate. Oh my gosh, this has been such a head jam. Okay, that goes there. No, that goes there. And the 2 little vac tubes and circuit board. Oh my gosh. Well, that was certainly a quest and a half because we had to travel so incredibly far. Okay, folks. Well, I think we've done enough for one day. I know that was a heap of just like. Is that all we did this session? Like I said, it's been 2 weeks. I think this is what we made. We made 1 circuit board. Wow, amazing. Well, I don't know what that's for. I'm guessing it's for something up here. So I'm gonna spend some time. I'm gonna try and make some of this stuff between sessions, maybe storage drawers, and get some of this prepped up for the next session. I'm also gonna build a building here. Because we're running out of space in our foundry, our forge. I don't know what the name of this new building is going to be. It's going to be our industrial building. But hey, thank you very much. This is the part where I say, please subscribe. Please. Or at least leave a like if you're already subscribed. Why does everyone beg for likes and subscribes? Well, because it actually makes a huge difference to channels' growths. And if you want to see more of a channel, then, well, you got to do those things because YouTube hates you. Well, it doesn't hate you, it hates me. YouTube hates me. It hates every YouTuber. It actually hates the YouTubers. But we like YouTube. Please don't destroy this video. Anyway, next time, catch you later.